Hey everyone, how's it going? Lance here. Today is Tuesday, December 13th, 2022, and it's the day after I had my hair cut, and I am now 7 months and 4 days post-op from my FUE hairline transplant procedure that I have with Dr. Daniel McGrath in Austin, Texas on May 9th. In this video, I'm using my iPhone to really close in. I'm at 3 times close-up to show you the new hairline that's been growing in. So this is the left side, and this is the left temporal peak. On the day of my surgery, 7 months and 4 days ago, I had 1,378 total grafts transplanted into the frontal hairline and side temples. This is my middle right side. In the video I posted yesterday, I mentioned that I had some newer hairs that were short but starting to grow longer, and these were new hairs that were placed here. And then this is my right temporal peak. On the day of my surgery, I had a larger graft, kind of like right at the point here that I had removed. And I also had a larger graft around here in the left center of the frontal hairline, also removed. In total, I had 1,378 total grafts that were divvied up into 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s. And I cannot say enough about the job that Dr. McGrath and his technicians did in reconstructing this hairline. It was something that I just wanted to do. It wasn't something that was necessary. As I said in yesterday's video, I've had 4 procedures, 2 FUT strip procedures, one in 2014, the other in 2015. I had the FUE scar revision procedure that Dr. McGrath did in 2017, and then this most recent hairline procedure. And each surgery I've had has been a success. I'm totally happy and ecstatic that things are going well. And as I mentioned in yesterday's video, the 7-month mark is one of the most exciting times of a hair transplant recovery timeline, because at this point you get to see and start to style the hair from the new hairline. When you get to 11 months, you basically know what you're going to get. So it's just a really exciting time, and I'm excited that there's going to be more to grow and more to go. So yeah. So this is my video of the close-up of my hairline. Thank you for watching. Have a fabulous day or evening, depending on when you watch this. And as always, please like and subscribe to my channel if this is something that interests you, whether you've had a procedure or planning to have procedures, or even may know of someone who wants to do this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.